The mini fishing pole. Handmade, but the reel's handmade, and all that right here is homemade. This handle and everything else is homemade. Line, the hook, all the way straight up. That tip is homemade. Duct tape and everything with the eye. But if you have an extra pole to land on a mountain and you don't have no top part to it, this is what you can do. You have this glued and everything else. But mainly this is the homemade fishing pole challenge. And I challenge anybody that you could see if you guys could do much better than I probably could. But I think that this is a Thunderbolt Lures challenge. Can you make a pole, a homemade pole, out of anything you would choose? But also, I also challenge you guys to make a handmade rod and reel out of any bottle, bubble bottle, and like that. I would say you guys could probably use like this, for example. This is a little simple. There's a hook in there with bait, I think. Another bubble bottle challenge. My company. Or a spice bottle challenge with bait and a hook. But that's the challenge. And please subscribe, comment, and thank you. Have a great day. This is Mr. Thunderbolt Lures. Thank you. Have a great day.